Hi everyone, today on our delicious journey, we're going to make the Moradabadi chicken biryani. You can call it pulao biryani. It's something in between of this, okay? So for that, first we'll marinate 1 kg chicken with 1.5 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 6 to 7 crushed green chilies, 2 tablespoons of saunf ka powder, fennel powder, 1/4 cup of freshly chopped mint leaves, pudina, 1/2 cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. So we're going to add 1.5 tablespoon of green chili pickle. You can add 2 also. It gives a nice zingy flavor to the pulao. Now I'm adding some slit chilies, about 7 to 8 green chilies that are slit. Some salt to taste. And now just mix all these ingredients together. The fragrance of the green chili pickle, that mustard, that zingy fragrance is just amazing. While the chicken is resting, before it's getting cooked, we'll add 1/2 cup of ghee to a kadhai. We'll add some whole spices to this. 2 bay leaves, 1 mace, 2 sticks of cinnamon which are 1 inch in length, 3 black cardamoms, 5 green cardamoms, 10 cloves, 10 peppercorns. Now let's wait for these garam masalas to release their aroma. Now to this, add 3 onions that are sliced. Now in this biryani recipe, there is no need to fry the onions till they are golden, but till they are just soft and translucent. This won't take much time. So now the onions are soft and translucent. Add a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute this for a minute and then you add the marinated chicken. What a delicious aroma. Now saute the chicken on a high flame for 5 minutes. So I learned this recipe from one bhatiyara very close by and I thought isko to abhi banana hi padega. So now for 1 kilo of chicken, we are taking 3/4 kg of rice, which comes up to about 5 cups of rice. So we're going to take 10 cups of water, double the rice. So now we'll add the water to this, 10 cups of water. Just mix this well and just bring this to a boiling point. So I'm going to cover this and just wait till it starts boiling, which should take about 5 minutes. So you can see the water has started to boil. Now we'll add rice. I had soaked 3/4 kg of basmati rice for 15 to 20 minutes. We'll add the rice. Add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Just mix this well. Now remember, we have to adjust the salt in this. We only added salt for the chicken. So guys, don't get too intimidated with this recipe, okay? It's not that difficult if you go step by step into this. So don't get hassled. Now add salt, giving it one final stir. Now cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame till the rice is done. So now we've kept the rice and the chicken cooking for 15 minutes. You can see. Now what we'll do is, the rice is cooked, just keep the flame on a low. We'll add 2 tablespoons of ghee to this. Now here I have 1/2 cup of saffron water. Now cover it and cook it for another 2 minutes. And while this is happening, we're going to quickly grind a chutney that goes along with this biryani or pulao. Now for the chutney that goes very well with this biryani or pulao, whatever you want to call it, you need to grind 2 tomatoes along with 1 tablespoon of chopped mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, 2 green chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of cumin, some salt to taste, and juice of 1/2 a lime. Now grind all this to a fine paste. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of chili powder to this as well. The chutney is ready. The biryani is ready. You just have to serve it. So now don't get intimidated while cooking this dish. It's really easy, guys. This is only taste. Shoot ke baad you can eat more.
It looks amazing.
I hope you like it. थोड़ा सा इसको garnish कर देते ना. No, but I'm going to put chutney also, no? A little bit of chutney. It goes very well with this. Now have.
I'm assuming it's very tikha because
No, try it.
Oh. Oh, it's very good.
Huh?
बिल्कुल तीखा नहीं है.
I told you.
How?
That's because the rice soaks in all the flavors, no? That's why.
It's amazing.
Liked it? Chalo, good.
जल्दी शूट करो मुझे और खाना.
Come on, guys, let's wrap up fast.